Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab M8 4th generation, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the, not the settings, the camera app. Let's tap on it. Alright, and unfortunately it probably won't work. Okay, so we have to just turn the device, unfortunately, but that's okay. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to the settings which are in the left upper corner, and as you can see, right now we can switch the phone again, the tablet again. Right here we've got the timer, so at the top basically we've got the timer, and we can we've got 3 different options: off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to tap on the delay option you'd like to apply. It will be immediately highlighted. So now we can go back to the camera and simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will of course take a photo. Okay, of course it works the same with turning it off. Just tap on this crossed out icon, it will be off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.